everyone, this is Junaid Butt from Big Dream Customs, and today I am very excited to bring to you guys a brand new build of 2013 Vrod Night Rod Special. This one is very tastefully built. I cannot wait to show you guys. Let's get right into it. Let's go. Everyone, so let's get right into this build. This is a 2013 Vrod Night Rod Special. This was a full build from frame up. So let me unfold this build for you, and let's see what this build has to offer us. As you can see, front gigantic 26-inch wheel with a wraparound fender, rear wheel 330. Check that profile out. Insane, absolutely amazing. Paint job, custom paint job done. Vance Hines 2-in-1 ceramic coated. A supercharger installed, dynoed. So this thing is pulling around close to 150 horses. Lower fork covers. You'll see it's all about the details. So every single bolt is powder coated gloss black. Custom front LED. So this one is fitted with Big Dream Customs custom bolt cover kit. Every single bolt is covered. So we went with the red accent on the buttons, powder coated gloss black front calipers. So are the rear. Check out this bar. This is a custom bar, custom risers, performance machine, hand controls with buttons. So ultra sleek. We went with the same look, ultra sleek. We went internal throttle cables. So no throttle cables showing out. So one of the cleanest look you can get. Let's check out the front end. Amazing. Every single part, which was silver, has been taken care of and is now black. You can check it out. Every single bolt black. So it's got swing arm covers, rear covers, front axle covers, custom seat, diamond stitched, matched to black. Check out the stripes. Check out this profile. R-Knot air suspension, best of the best. This one right there is a custom luggage rack with the passenger backrest. Custom airbox cover, custom Harley decals, passenger foot peg brackets are there, rebuffanies linkage, rebuffanies foot controls. Check out the dom covers. Check out the cam tensioner cover. And this is the bolt cover kit. So every bolt has been covered. Let's look at that. Insane machine. So that was it. I hope you guys liked the build. Let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think about this build? I think it's pretty cool, but I'll wait for your comments. Stay tuned. Please do not forget to share, like, and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot. I'll see you with another build. Peace out.